We've lived here for 11 years. We have always had wanting to do the kitchen on like the list of things to do in the house. My parents wanted to make sure they could do it exactly the way they wanted to when we were finally able to. It's really been a long time in the making.
When we visited the Sigma showroom, everyone was really very friendly, but they left us to it just to walk around and have a look at things ourselves. Nobody was really pushy. It was seeing the quality of the build of the drawers and the cupboards that made us think it was something that we wanted to look into. Our previous kitchen had very cluttered open shelves, and so we wanted a kitchen where we had lots of storage space, where we could basically put everything away. I wanted old and modern kitchens. I wanted the mix of an industrial sort of modern look, and I felt like the gloss units gave that look. When we met Susan, she understood the sort of vision that we had. She gave us lots of ideas actually. We thought we knew exactly what we wanted, but in terms of the units that we could have in the kitchen and the space we had, she had some really good ideas.
I think it was nice as well having the storage for things that we store more of that other people would maybe have less of. So we've got a whole cupboard where some of us are gluten-free in the house, so we have 2 times the amount of bread that other people do.
Yeah.
So it's just been nice having the storage that fits to exactly what our family uses.
The favourite part of my kitchen now is that it's not cluttered. I love the fact that it's just clean and tidy now.
Where we've got all the massive space for the workspace, it's actually nice to prepare food there because I've done a bit more cooking recently and I actually enjoy it because there's space for me to spread out, have my ingredients and not feel like everything I'm making is like closing in on me.
Probably spend more time in here now, don't we? We use it a lot more as a family.
And we all hang around a little bit after we've eaten dinner and my dad sits and has the coffee and we all sit and have a chat because it's just a nice room and it's like the centre of the house.
So one of my top tips would probably be to go in with a bit of an open mind, so an idea of what you want, but be prepared to listen to the experts with their sort of design skills and experience. Nobody had recommended Sigma 3, they just popped up on Facebook. I thought we'd go along and try, so I'm pleased that we have had such a good experience. It's exactly what we imagined or better. We spend as much time in here as we can.